Good morning, friends. It has been a very full, productive day, and it's only 10:15. I have already made all my calls that I needed this morning and worked out, had my shower. Now we gotta go to the store. Tina, do you want to go to Smart and Final, or you want to stay here with the dogs? You want to go? Okay, get your shoes on. And we need the grandma cart and the buggy for the dogs.
Okay.
What's all over your carpet?
Powder.
Oh, I just vacuumed. What did I tell you to do when you put powder on?
I used a towel. I didn't do it right. The towel.
I tell her stand on the towel so she doesn't get powder all over the carpet. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and head to Smart and Final. And then I need to come home and clean house.
Okay, Cousin.
What are we doing, T?
Taco place?
Yeah. Got our groceries. And it's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, so the taco shop by our house has tacos for $1. So we're getting some tacos to take home for lunch. And the puppies are being so good. Yes. We are home. I just filmed the grocery haul of what we got. Set up Tina with her lunch. Good stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to put groceries away and then I'm going to relax for a little bit, have my lunch, and watch my soap opera. What do you want? My naughty one. Look at this dog. He is never without a toy. I swear. He's such a good boy. Little Miss Bella's pooped out too. You would think that they actually walked. So this was a mistake. I finished my lunch and I sat here knitting. Let me turn this. Started knitting, watching my soap. Isn't this pretty? I love the colors in this. My Aunt Turtle sent me a bunch of yarn that she wanted me to make. Some infinity scarves for her. So I've been doing that. I love knitting. But this was a mistake because now I don't want to do anything. I just want to sit here and knit. But I have stuff I need to do. I really want to mop my floors today. But my fridge is disgusting. I spilled enchilada sauce inside from the wet burritos from Tina's birthday. So I always clean out my fridge before I mop my floors because that gets nasty. So I'm going to turn the TV off and turn some music on and force myself to get back up and clean. I want to clean the fridge, dust, and then mop the floors. It won't take me very long, and I have about an hour and a half until my mom gets home, and then 2 hours till Tina gets up. So I'm pretty sure I could have it done real fast. I'll time myself. See, it is, oh, you can see that. That's pretty clear. Let's zoom into that. 12:55, and I'm gonna start now with cleaning out the fridge. So here's the before. Look at the freezer. I just threw everything in there. I've got to organize all of that. Terrible. So this is what it looks like before. 1:14, and I got the freezer done. I bought a bag of ice. I always break it up and put it in Ziplocs. I think I'm still zoomed in. And I even stopped because the neighbor stopped by. And then I used one of those cardboard boxes that Top Ramen comes in, and I put all the loose stuff in that, cut it to fit down there. So this is as good as the freezer's getting. And then these are all extra buns. So if I do hamburgers, I know I don't need to buy buns. Batteries, chicken and rice in case the dog gets sick, and oranges for my garbage disposal. So freezer's done. Now on to the fridge. So I have this dry erase board on the fridge I got from the dollar store. And as I clean out the fridge, I'm going to write on this what I see I'm low of or what I need, so that I don't have to go through the fridge again when I make my grocery list. Yes, I'm sitting to clean out my fridge, and look who's under me, just waiting for me to drop something. Got the door done, all organized. Makes me happy. Not bad, only 2 things were expired. Have quite a bit of a list, but getting there, making progress. 1:44. Okay, so that took longer than what I thought. I already showed you the freezer. So here is the fridge finished. The door, and then inside. But not bad, because those are the only 2 things that went bad. That is a leftover pancake from Tina's birthday I'm going to toss. There's just a little bit of the baked spaghetti left. I put that in a Tupperware dish, so I'm going to wash that. And in here is a wet burrito that's left from T's birthday I'm just going to toss. So, not bad. I'm going to go ahead and clean up this mess now. It's feeding time. Where's this? Oh, I spilled it, dingo. Do you want this? Sit. Sit. No, sit. Dingo, sit. You know, sitting. You want it? Sit down. Good boy. I just made dinner, so tonight we're having fried rice and orange chicken. It's been a very productive day. I cleaned the kitchen from dinner, have the dishwasher going, and I just vacuumed upstairs and downstairs. So I'm gonna watch some TV with T until it's her bedtime and do some editing. And then once I get her put to bed, I'm gonna go ahead and dust my bedroom and take a bath. Oh, I'm gonna mop first. Did I already say that? I don't know. But after I put her to bed, I'm gonna mop and then dust my room and take a bath. Hello friends. I don't know what it is about the lighting in here. It always makes me look pink. I don't know. Anyways, it is almost 9:20 p.m. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. I'm trying to get comfortable. Mopped the floors, like dusted up here. I feel like the dog hair is like never ending. It just clings to the furniture up here. I took a bath. I finished Holly Madison's book last night. Let me see. What is it called? Oh, Down the Rabbit Hole. Hold on. Let me flip the viewfinder. Down the Rabbit Hole. I was reading a chicken soup book. Shaping the New You. I only got like a couple chapters in, and then Holly Madison's book came in the mail, and I was kind of excited to read it because there was so much controversy on it. But you know what? Being a fan of the show, everyone was kind of exactly how, in her book, everyone was exactly how I imagined they would be just from watching the show Girls Next Door. So it wasn't really a surprise to me. So I started back into the chicken soup book, Shaping the New You. I like it. It's full of motivational stories on getting healthy and being fit. But I've got all my rags in the dryer now from the last week of cleaning. And I've got some emails I need to go respond to. And a text message. But after that, I'm just gonna crawl into bed, and I've been watching Game of Thrones. I think I'm on season 2, disc 2. The only thing that sucks about it is there's only 2 episodes per disc, so oh well. I'm getting them through Netflix. But I think that's gonna be it for me. I'm gonna call it a night. Oh, I wanted to tell you guys, okay, I know that I had taken a long break, longer than what I expected, and when I started posting yesterday, I lost 3 subscribers. I went on today, I gained those 3 back plus 5 more. I'm so excited. I now have 38 subscribers, so I'm pretty excited. So thank you guys for subscribing and watching and supporting us. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. If you would like to subscribe, click the red button below. It's free and you'll never miss a video from us. So thanks for watching. Be kind to each other, and I'll see you next video. Bye. Can you say goodnight, Peanut? Oh, can you say goodnight? Good night.